whatever you're seeking through meditation, a relationship with God or your own higher self, or to be more productive at work or less anxious and emotional, whatever it is that you're seeking, you can experience the depth and the power of your own reality through meditation. Meditation is a way to experience the divine within yourself. What we're offering in this course is nothing new. It's been refined over thousands of years of continuous tradition in India. It was brought to the West by Paramahansa Yogananda, author of Autobiography of a Yogi. What he taught was not just how to meditate, but it was how to support it with your lifestyle, to develop a lifestyle that supports your meditation and also supports your own highest aspirations, whether it's diet, what you're doing with your head all day, where you meditate, when you meditate, the way you sit. All of these things are addressed in the Course. The beauty of this is that these teachings are complete. What Yogananda brought was the full depth and power of the Indian tradition in meditation. He moved to the United States in 1920, and he lived the rest of his life here until 1952. And throughout those years, he taught meditation all over the United States. He taught these techniques and this approach to meditation that we're offering you right now. So here's the opportunity. You can experience the full power of the yoga tradition and meditation as it was taught by an Indian master of the practice in our language, for our culture, and for our time.